Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Muscat. Back to routine, back to busy schedule. Though we were really busy back in Kerala, we were happily being busy enjoying our vacation with our families. We are missing everything there and everyone there. But yes, need to move on. My husband is working here in Muscat. My kids have school and so on. I didn't want to do again a vlog on settling back as it might be kind of repetition. All the unpacking and organizing was jointly done by the whole family, so it got over in a day itself. And this video was taken a couple of days back when they had school. I started to shoot this video right after I got fresh post-workout. Only then I started for the lunch preparation. Made sambar for curry and made it a bit extra as we could have it for the next day breakfast with idli. Normally when I prepare sambar, I make it that way. I took tur dal a handful, washed and pressure cooked it for a whistle. Alongside kept water for boiling that's needed to make rice. And we use ponni rice for lunch or dinner. Arman didn't go to school as he had mild cold and cough. Thankfully, he is recovered from it now. Unfortunately, my dishwasher was under repair, so had to clean all the vessels as soon as the sink piles up, or else I will leave it till the end and then end up not cleaning it for so long. Sambar tastes the best when we have all the vegetables in it. But I don't think I have made a sambar that way recently. I cook with whatever vegetables lying in my fridge. My kids love the flavor of sambar. Doesn't matter whatever veggies are in. For today had carrot, raw banana and okra. To the veggies goes in 1 onion, to the dal goes in the vegetables, keeping aside okra and tomato that will be added later. Cook for a whistle more. For the sambar, I roasted 1 cup grated coconut in some coconut oil. You don't have to roast it so much, but if you like darker shade of the sambar, you may do so. Here I roasted it just for some time in low flame, mixing it in between. Ponni rice takes not so long to cook, so need to keep an eye to check if it has done. Once the pressure is released, in goes the okra and tomato. These 2 vegetables need less time to cook. The water content in it was less, so added a bit more of warm water. Into the coconut goes in 3 tablespoons of sambar powder. Roast it along with the coconut for a couple of minutes and then turn off the flame. Grind it to a smooth paste, adding some water. Add the ground mix to the curry and let it boil for a minute or two. Add some salt. When I checked the taste, there was something missing. Forgot to add tamarind. Had no time to make it to a pulp, so took a small piece and added as such so that it cooks when the curry boils. Bitter gourd is my husband's favorite and even I like to have it. Kids are never the fan because of the bitterness in it. However, it tastes even more better when we cook with curd. Chopping it into small pieces will make the cooking faster. I got almost 1.5 cup of chopped bitter gourd. For a ground paste, into a blender goes 3 tablespoons grated coconut, 2 green chilies. You will need a teaspoon of cumin seeds. I shall link the spice organizer below in case you need to check out. Then goes curd, almost 2 or 3 tablespoons. Heat some oil. This is my new clay pot I bought from Kerala this vacation. Seasoned it before coming and it's good to go for cooking. Splutter half teaspoon mustard seeds, some curry leaves and saute the bitter gourd. If you add more oil, the bitter gourd will get more crispy and will taste really good. Just to be on the healthy side, I added less oil. Add some salt and cook in low flame, keeping it covered. I need to temper the curry, so before that we'll fry papads and use the same oil for tempering so that the oil used for frying papads don't go waste. Moreover, it's organic coconut oil I'm using which is brought from Kerala. I even took papads from Kerala as we get good ones there. To store it, I keep it in the freezer. This is almost 2 kilo papads. I'm not a fan of papads except while having biryanis, so I fry only the needed quantity. It's 2 per person each time for lunch and dinner. The reason why I'm poking holes in this is because if I don't, it will just fluff up to round shape and we'll have nothing left to eat much from it. Using the same oil to temper sambar. Splutter 1.5 teaspoon mustard seeds, then goes curry leaves and dried red chilies. Add to the curry and cover to lock the flavor. The bitter gourd is done. Time to add the ground paste and keep stirring continuously. Adding a bit of water. Let it cook for a minute by stirring continuously and then turn off the flame. Kids don't eat bitter gourd, as I said, so as a side dish, they will definitely need something. I had some cooked beef kept in the freezer. My mom had cooked it for me. It's always confusing in the morning what's for breakfast, and to avoid that, I mostly make idli or dosa. As I said, I made extra sambar to have it with idli. And for the batter, it's a cup of idli rice and half cup urad dal. Earlier, I used to soak them separate, but these days it's together and I still get the same good texture for idlis. Soak in filtered water to use the same water later for grinding. Keep that aside. Heating some coconut oil, saute sliced onion till soft. Though not very strict, I'm still following my diet, which has, of course, become my lifestyle. I have chapati for lunch. For easy cooking in the kitchen, bought these frozen chapatis from the market. It makes the job much easier. Bought these from Lulu last time we went for shopping. The onion is soft and in goes the beef, which already has enough spices my mom had added. So not adding any more. Was feeling so hungry that I couldn't wait for Rihan and my husband, who come for lunch most of the days. Me and Arman had an early lunch. My indoor plants have grown so well. I made cuttings from it to replant it in more pots. Have placed these in small glasses near the window. All you need to do is cut where the roots will form and place each in water till the roots come. Later, plant it in soil. This is peace lily and don't know what's happening to the leaves. Every leaf has got that brown ends. If you know what's the reason for it, please do comment below and please share your tips. Whichever new leaf growing, it has got that brown tip. And this is philodendron, which grows so well with less maintenance. One thing I have learned is, even the plants that need low light, you keep near the window where there's enough light, it will grow so well. Time for preparing the idli batter. It's better to grind the batter around at 4 or 5 in the evening so that it ferments well. But it also depends on the temperature where you're living. I grind the batter in 2 parts and in each part added 3 tablespoons cooked rice, which is puni rice. Adding some water, it was soaking in. Idli batter need to be a bit more thick than dosa batter. Had nothing to snack on, so took some biscuits. I didn't feel like having biscuits, just the tea was enough to wake me up from the evening laziness. If you're following me on Instagram, you must have seen the reel I had shared on Independence Day. Rihan had participated in a Punjabi dance and he's trying his dress on. This video was taken the day before the dance. I initiated for an early dinner for me. My husband wanted to join to have along. When kids saw us having food, they joined as well. So that's all for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed watching a routine video today. If so, do give a thumbs up so that I know. Stay tuned for more vlogs. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.